Every day on this channel, I cover everything happening at Elon Musk's companies along with EV and tech news. Starting off with Tesla, Tesla has updated its FSD miles tracker to account for a larger vehicle fleet and increased FSD usage. Tesla's fleet is now driving an average of 19.2 million miles per day on FSD, up from 14.4 million miles per day a couple months ago. That's 1,000 miles every 4.5 seconds. And the Tesla Model Y was the top-selling passenger vehicle in China in March of 2026, with 39,827 retail registrations, beating all EVs and ICE models. It outpaced competitors across sedans, SUVs, and MPVs. It was also the only premium-priced model in the top 10, standing out in a list dominated by lower-cost domestic EVs and affordable internal combustion vehicles. The Model Y is priced approximately between 263,000 and 313,000 yuan, significantly higher than most competing vehicles in the ranking. Several top-selling models, such as the Geely Galaxy Jinghuan and the BYD Yuan Up, fall below the 100,000 yuan mark, and Tesla has updated their Robotaxi app. What's new? A new tips section, which displays how many seats are available in the car, tells you that the vehicle lights will pulse on arrival and that Tesla may use interior cabin camera to ensure safety, a darker appearance, and other small UI changes. And Tesla has started to use the cabin cameras to assess driver age. This could be used to ensure that young children aren't hailing autonomous robotaxi rides without adult supervision. And Ashley Vance posted a full Tesla semi-factory tour. We're right on the cusp of starting to produce first assemblies off these lines, said Dan Priestley. I'll link the video in the description. And Tesla has just officially launched the larger Model YL in Israel. First deliveries start in June. And Tesla increased the price of the Model YL in South Korea by 7.7%. And Tesla has discontinued the white interior on all Model Y premium trims built at Giga Shanghai and replaced it with the new Zen Grey interior. This change includes Model Y premium for Australia, New Zealand, South Korea, Japan, Philippines, etc. This Zen Grey interior is the same interior color on the larger Model YL. And Tesla released a video of the new Zen Grey interior from Giga Shanghai built on all Model Y premium trims. With Zen Grey, the following trim pieces are no longer black like they are in the white interior: the armrests, door grab handles, center console armrest and side console trim, and trim around wireless charging area. And Nick Cruz-Patain posted, Tesla AI senior staff engineer says Tesla has implemented a new software-based auto wiper system that uses the wiper motor itself as a tactile sensor. Instead of relying solely on the front cameras, the system estimates the physical friction between the rubber wiper blade and the glass by analyzing the motor's electrical power consumption. The system will also automatically enable the defroster when high friction is detected, such as frost or ice. Additionally, it keeps a long-term friction level average to warn when wiper replacements are necessary due to higher than normal friction. Smart stuff. I suspect this system will get better over time with OTA updates. Sawyer said, so cool. And Trent asked, how about FSD controlling wiper fluid and defrost? They say some winter improvement is now part of 14.3. Moving on, the standalone X Chat app is launching on iOS on April 17th. It is end-to-end encrypted, blocks screenshots, edit or deleted messages for everyone, voice or video call anyone across devices and in group calls, disappearing messages, massive group chats with hundreds of people, and no ads. And finally, BMW says cars are now defined by software, not engines. In the past, platforms were largely defined by body styles and engine layouts. Today, digital functions and software are at the core of everything we do. And that's everything Sawyer posted on X today. Tesla's fleet now driving an average of 19.2 million miles per day on FSD, Tesla updating their Robotaxi app, Tesla discontinuing the white interior on all Model Y premium trims built at Giga Shanghai, replacing it with the Zen Grey interior, a price increase for the Model YL in South Korea, the Model YL launching in Israel, the Model Y being the top-selling passenger vehicle in China in March, Tesla starting to use the cabin cameras to assess driver age, and the X Chat app launching on iOS on April 17th. That's all for me today. Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Become a member to get early access to videos, and I will see you tomorrow.